Say hi. Say hi, Cole. Hi, Cole. Say hi. He's looking at the pig is what he's doing. This is his friend the pig who he lays on his changing table and talks to. See? He's talking to Piggy. He's telling him what he's done all day. Cole, look over here. Say hi to Uncle Jake. Cole, come here. Cole, look this way. I know, Piggy's over there, I know. There's the piggy. Alright, let's get you. There you go. Can you say hi to Uncle Jake? Can you say hi? That's a bad angle. Say hi. Hi. Hi, monkey. Can you smile at least? Can you smile at least? Smile, Munchkin. Smile. There you go. Hi, Uncle Jake. Thanks, Uncle Jake and Aunt